calculate division of decimal. We have 1 pointer in decimal. After the point we have 2 digits. So we should write 445 by 100. And we didn't have any pointers, so we should write 1. Again, we should do reciprocal. 100 into 1 by 5. We did here reciprocal, so we got multiplication. Now we will do numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. The answer is 345 into 1 the 345 by 100 by the 500. So we should do this division. 500 345 by we don't come 500 into 345. So we should take 0.5. When we take 0.5, we can add 0. We taken 6. 506 plus 3000. 0, 5, 4, 0. Now we have to add 0 and we take 400 equals to 0. The answer is